My dear friends, it doesn't cost to subscribe and share to get it reachable to the needy and the students below poverty line. Oh my dear friends, good morning from Electric Uncle Het वाले की तरफ से. So now I will tell you in English also, because before I published in Hindi this video, how, as per the suggestion given our sister Mrs. Rashmi Chopra, to make such type of a video, because it is a big problem. When you go on holidays, some for outing, for some days, your plants, how to give them water. So this is the auto watering system, very easy and very simple. Just you need one electrician or one plumber. He can make it within an hour. At your home, and you just need only 4-5 items. One is this pipe, right? Easily available, flexible pipe, polyethylene, HDPE, and make holes in it like this, and just move around with your plants. And I use this one timer. Just it costs 600 to 700 only. And here is one solenoid valve. So this timer also comes 12 volt. You will need 12 volt solenoid valve. If you buy 230 volts, the timer rating, then you will need 230 volts solenoid valve. That's it. This is what you have to make it. Don't make that this is 12 volt and you put this 220 volt, or this timer is 220 volt, you put this 12 volt. So the combination should be there. Okay. So let us proceed with the next slide. So we were here. So before moving ahead, I will request you to subscribe and share the channel to get it reachable to the needy students, and preferably who are below poverty line, so they can make an earning source through this video by making these things. So now we need only following 5 things. You can say the rating 12 volt or 220 volt power supply adapter. For 220 volt you don't need adapter, direct supply you can give. For 12 volt you will need this adapter. Then one solenoid valve. If you are using 12 volt timer, 12 volt HDPE pipe, half inch is enough, and one plumber come electrician. This is what you need. So now we will move to the next slide. So this is the arrangement I made. Just a diagram roughly to give an idea. Now see, there is a DB having 12 volt DC supply and there is timer inside, right? 2 wires will go to timer. I will show the circuit in the next slide. And 2 wires will go to the solenoid valve, and solenoid valve is fitted in between the pipeline which is going from your tap. If the pressure is enough, your normal water tap is enough, the connection can be given to that pipe from there, and keep it open when you are on holidays. The timer will start the solenoid at the time set by you, for 1 hour, for half an hour, for 10 minutes, as long as you want, for months. It will keep working like that. Solenoid valve will open and the water will start in the plants, and automatically it will be cut off. and you can observe the time, that how much time it takes. So accordingly you can set the time in your timer. It's very easy. So this type of connection you can get it done through your with the help of your plumber cum electrician. Very easy. Just I am giving you an idea. Now there is the DB. See the timer. 2 wires are going to the timer and 2 wires going to the solenoid valve, and solenoid valve is get fitted in the pipeline. Very simple, very easy. Here is the timer's little bit diagram. The front is like that, the reading will come there, and with the help of these buttons you can set the timer, and there are the 2 input, 2 output. See, this is the back side of the timer. 2 wires are going inside, 2 outside to the solenoid valve. That's it. And here is, if you have a open, in open the piping works, you can do like this. But in open there is a problem. Suppose it is a rainy day and you are not here, so water will keep going. So for that purpose there are so many modifications you can make, and for that there are rain sensors. In series you just give one rain sensor with the timer. So when there will be rain, the rain sensor will control, it will not allow the timer to work, and the solenoid valve will not open. Very simple. Here is the rain sensor. It is available, everything is available online. So you can give it in series. Just keep this plate outside or somewhere where it is raining. I made it at home. I will make a video of that also. How to make this rain sensor, right? And these things are available. The rain sensor, it will sense the rain and it will give the signal to this PCB, and from here it will control the timer. That's it. So simple. So if you want to do this rain sensor, and if the plants are inside, then no need. So my dear friends, I think you have followed, and just in the last again I will request, subscribe and share. Just touch your finger, it doesn't cost anything, but it will indirectly, it will help the needy and the students below poverty line. That is what I have launched this free education platform. I am just sharing my knowledge free of cost, and if I will be capable, I wish I can send some material to these students below poverty line to make such type of DIY school projects. So please go ahead. Thanks. See you in the next video.